start off by wishing all of you all a very happy Teachers' Day. And I hope you all are also aware as to how important a role you all play in the lives of your children and in nation building overall. Teachers are actually the real heroes in our society, but very often they don't realize it, they don't see. People tell you do a very important role, but you don't really realize how important or how impactful your role is. So I want to read out a few quotations, few quotes that are popularly attributed to teachers. I'd like to start off by reading a few of those quotations. A good education can change anyone, but a good teacher can change everything. There is nothing that a teacher cannot do. The teacher has the power to change everything. And the teacher does it selflessly. There's a second quotation that is attributed to you all, the teachers. It says, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. So through the teaching profession, it's one thing, you have knowledge. When you share it, the knowledge doesn't become less, it only magnifies, amplifies, and goes on larger. And the teacher selflessly looks forward to sharing that knowledge with all his children or her children that are there with them. Third quotation, to teach is to touch a life forever. Talk to anyone, ask who are the people that were influential in your lives. Invariably, one of the influential names will be a teacher from junior school, middle school, high school. Teachers are the ones who have a profound impact on children. And the funny part is, I don't think most teachers realize how much impact they have. That's actually the true mark of a great teacher. You are so immersed in doing what you do, you don't realize how great an impact you have on so many people. So much so that the last quotation is there. It says that most of us, non-teachers, most of us end up with no more than 5 or 6 people who remember us many years from now. But teachers are the only ones who have thousands of people who remember them for the rest of their lives. You teachers are indeed the true heroes. And I wish you all once again a very happy Teachers' Day.
First of all, I would like to wish all the teachers out there a very happy Teachers' Day. Like every year, this year also we all have gathered together to celebrate this auspicious event, Teachers' Day. Every year, 5th of September is celebrated as National Right commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. This man had made an immense contribution to our country. He was a great scholar, an excellent teacher, and a former president of our country. On this auspicious day, I wish to convey my sincere gratitude to all my teachers out there who had earlier helped me to reach this position and who are presently helping me to push myself amid of this pandemic COVID-19 to give my best in this competitive world. Truly, how difficult is it to define a teacher? A teacher is a person who not only gives us knowledge but also shapes the character and personality and guides us towards the right path. There is no wrong in saying a teacher a second parent. As students, we have been sometimes tough to handle, but your individual attention has helped us learn from our mistakes and grow. I take this opportunity to mention on Teachers' Day how much all of you mean to us. I take the stage to confess that we all not be in good books, but this is the best day for all of us to express how much we love you as students. Thank you, teachers.
శృతి నీవు గతి నీవు ఈ నా కృతి నీవు భారతి ధృతి నీవు ద్యుతి నీవు శరణాగతి నీవు భారతి శృతి నీవు గతి నీవు ఈ నా కృతి నీవు భారతి ధృతి నీవు ద్యుతి నీవు శరణాగతి నీవు భారతి ధృతి నీవు ద్యుతి నీవు శరణాగతి నీవు భారతి నీ పదములొత్తిన పదము ఈ పదము నిత్య కైవల్య పథము నీ కొలువు కోరిన తనువు ఈ తనువు నిగమార్ధ నిధులున్న నెలవు కోరిన మిగిలిన కోరికేమి నేను కొనియాడు కృతుల పెన్నిధి తప్ప చేరినా ఇక చేరువున్నదేమి నీ శ్రీచరణ దివ్య సన్నిధి తప్ప శృతి నీవు గతి నీవు ఈ నా కృతి నీవు భారతి ధృతి నీవు ద్యుతి నీవు శరణాగతి నీవు భారతి శ్రీనాథ కవినాథ శృంగార కవిత తరంగాలు నీ స్ఫూర్తులే అలన్నమాచార్య కలవాణి అలరించు కీర్తనలు నీ కీర్తులే శ్రీనాథ కవినాథ శృంగార కవిత తరంగాలు నీ స్ఫూర్తులే అలన్నమాచార్య కలవాణి అలరించు కీర్తనలు నీ కీర్తులే త్యాగయ్య గలసి మరావిల్లిన అనంతరాగాలు నీ మూర్తులే నీ కరుణ నెలకొన్న ప్రతిరచనం జననీ భవతారక మంత్రాక్షరం శృతి నీవు గతి నీవు ఈ నా కృతి నీవు భారతి ధృతి నీవు ద్యుతి నీవు శరణాగతి నీవు భారతి ధృతి నీవు ద్యుతి నీవు ಶರಣಾಗತಿ ನೀವು ಭಾರತಿ.
Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste to all. I am Prarthana Prem. I am studying in 1st PU at Diksha Indranagar. Today I will be presenting all of you with an invocation piece on Goddess Saraswati. Saraswati is a Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, art, wisdom and speech. She is one of the members of the Trinity, Tridevi. The earliest mention of Saraswati was in the Rig Veda. Today, presenting all of you with Shringapuradeshwari Sharade in Raga Kalyani, set to Adi Talam, a composition of A.V. Krishnamachar. I will be dedicating this piece to all the teachers in the world.
Shubha ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ. ಕರುಣೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹನೆಯಿಂದ ಕರುಣೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹನೆಯಿಂದ ಸಲಹುತ್ತೀರಿ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಲಹುತ್ತೀರಿ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ ವಂದನೆ. ಬೆಳಕು ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, ನೀವೇ ತಾಯಿ ನೀವೇ ತಂದೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ. ಬೆಳಕು ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, ನೀವೇ ತಾಯಿ ನೀವೇ ತಂದೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ. ತಿಳಿವಿನಿಂದ ತೆರೆದು ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನದ ಬಾಗಿಲು, ತಿಳಿವಿನಿಂದ ತೆರೆದು ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನದ ಬಾಗಿಲು. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತೀಗ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾನು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚಿ ಹಾರಲು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತೀಗ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾನು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚಿ ಹಾರಲು. ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ ವಂದನೆ. ಕಲಿತ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿನಯಶೀಲ ರಾಧನೆಯ ಧನ್ಯತೆ. ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಸರಳ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆ. ಕಲಿತ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿನಯಶೀಲ ರಾಧನೆಯ ಧನ್ಯತೆ. ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಸರಳ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆ. ಮಮತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮತೆಗಿಂತ ಉಂಟೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಮಮತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮತೆಗಿಂತ ಉಂಟೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಮಾನವಂತರಾಗಿ ನಡೆದು ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತೀವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ. ಮಾನವಂತರಾಗಿ ಇರದು ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತೀವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರುವೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣು ನಾವು ಭಾವಪೂರ್ಣ ವಂದನೆ ವಂದನೆ.
खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाए, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे.
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे.
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम.
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे. पर तू ये सोचे जाऊं ना जाऊं, ये जिंदगी जो है नाचती तो क्यों बेड़ियों में है तेरे पाँव. प्रीत की धुन पर नाच ले पागल, उड़ता अगर है उड़ने दे आंचल. काहे कोई अपने को ऐसे तरसाए जो है कही जो है अनसुनी, वो बात क्या है बता मितवा। कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा, ये खुद से तो ना तो छुपा।
ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ನಾ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ನಾ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಅಂಜಿ ನಡೆದರೆ ನಡುವೆ ದೀನನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಧರೆಯ ದುಷ್ಟರ ನಡುವೆ ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಬೆವರಿಳಿಸಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಿಗಿಲೆಂಬುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ಬೆವರಿಳಿಸಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಿಗಿಲೆಂಬುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದಿರಲು, ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದಿರಲು. ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಮ್ಮಿತ್ರನಾಗಿರಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಹಸಿರು ಮಳೆ ಹೂವಲಿನ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸುವುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಜಗವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಜರಿದರೂ ಸರಿಯೇ, ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾನಂಬುವ ಬಗೆ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಜಗವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಜರಿದರೂ ಸರಿಯೇ, ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾನಂಬುವ ಬಗೆ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಅಳುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಮಾನ ಇಲ್ಲೆಂಬುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾನೋಡಿ ನಗುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸು. ಅಳುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಮಾನ ಇಲ್ಲೆಂಬುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾನೋಡಿ ನಗುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸು. ಮಾನವತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಮೆರೆಯುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸು. ಮಾನವತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಕರಗುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸು. ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು, ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
से तुम नजर में आके हम तो हो गए ज़माने के कलमा अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए हम तो हो गए ज़माने के कलमा अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए हम तो उड़ गए
जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे है उठा सवाल माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ನಾ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ನಾ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಅಂಜಿ ನಡೆವರ ನಡುವೆ ಧೀರನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಅಂಜಿ ನಡೆವರ ನಡುವೆ ಧೀರನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಧರೆಯ ದುಷ್ಟರ ನಡುವೆ ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು 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 ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಬೆವರಿಳಿಸಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಿಗಿಲೆಂಬುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ಬೆವರಿಳಿಸಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಿಗಿಲೆಂಬುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದಿರಲು ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಸನ್ಮಿತ್ರನಾಗಿರಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಹಸಿರು ಮಳೆ ಹೂವಲಿನ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸುವುದ ಕಲಿಸು. ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ನಾ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ನಾ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಅಂಜಿ ನಡೆವರ ನಡುವೆ ಧೀರನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಧರೆಯ ದುಷ್ಟರ ನಡುವೆ ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು. ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು.
What's the deal when the desk broke?
After being an educator for the last 20 years and having interacted with many teachers, I've realized a couple of things about teachers. The teachers would do anything and would go way above their call of duty if they need to get their dreams of their kids realized. The pandemic is a standing example where lakhs and lakhs of teachers had to change their teaching style, had to adapt to technology so that the learning never stops for their kids. And they have also, if we look at the various videos that are floating around, teachers actually found different ways and means of making the teaching also very effective by sitting at their own houses. So the teachers would do anything to make the learning effective for the children. The second thing that the teachers have realized is that if the kids need to enjoy their subject, they need to connect well with the children. So what do the teachers do? With every batch of kids, they also learn what is it that helps them to connect with the children, and they learn, they innovate, and they actually go and connect with the children so that the kids enjoy what they are teaching. But above all, teachers put aside all their personal tragedies, personal problems, and their illness when it comes to their kids. For them, the learning of their kids should never stop. Therefore, they make sure that they always have a smile on their face and they never showcase what sorrows they are having internally. To all the educators and the teachers out there, teaching is a passion. To them, interacting with the children on a day-to-day basis and being amongst the kids is what gives them joy, happiness, and motivation. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you all, and thank you for being part of this journey to nurture the success of every child.